Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. On this walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to give you a tour of this 2023 25-foot front bed, twin bed with a bunk Flying Cloud. Join me. Before we get started, as always, I'm going to give you some statistics and capacities of this rig. This model is 25 feet 11 inches long from the bumper to the hitch. It's 8 feet 5.5 inches wide outside, 8 feet 1 inch wide inside. It's 9 feet 9 inches tall outside. That's to the top of the air conditioner. It's 6 feet 7.5 inches tall in here. It has a hitch weight of 875 pounds. It has a empty dry weight of 5,600 pounds. That includes propane tanks and batteries. It has a cargo carrying capacity of 1,700 pounds, giving you a grand total of 7,300 pounds gross vehicle weight rating. It has a 37-gallon freshwater tank, a 35-gallon gray water tank, and a 40-gallon black water tank. This is a 30-amp service, so it only has one air conditioner, which is a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with a heat pump. It has a 25,000 BTU furnace underneath this couch where I'm sitting right here. It has a giant 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It has 17 windows and skylights in this rig, offering you plenty of light, natural light. The twin beds measure 34 inches wide by 80 inches long. This dinette back here converts to a 42 by 97 inch. And this rig can sleep 7. 1 up in the bunk up top, 2 in the front bedroom in the twin beds, 2 right here, and 2 under the table right there. Let's go check this rig out. Alright, again, this is a 2023 model. The finish on the cabinetry up here is a matte finish. It used to be glossy finish, but now it's matte. Also, the DVD player is removed, but you do have a USB charging plug up here and an HDMI port. So should you want to use an Apple TV, Roku device, or even bring your own DVD player, that's fine. You can set it up here, plug it into HDMI, and it reaches both TVs. So the TV here in the main room and the TV in the bedroom. You also have an inverter circuit up here to plug in anything you might need, and plenty of other storage. Over here in your kitchen, you see you have this very large sink, and this is the cover for the sink compared to me, so it's pretty large, pretty deep, and nice. And this can be used as a cutting board. You have a swivel sink faucet, and it also retracts. You have your standard three burner cooktop over here with range vent oven. This model came equipped with the optional convection oven microwave. And I'll tell you folks, that is a wonderful upgrade if you're asking me, because it's an air fryer, it's a grill, it's a microwave, and it's a convection oven. It does all the things in one. It's really fantastic. Plus you have plenty of storage up top here to set up plates, bowls, cups, whatever you might need to carry with you on your adventures. There's quite a bit of drawer space in here for silverware, 3 drawers, and then on the bottom you have about an 8-inch deep pantry. Underneath your sink, you have your trash can and plenty of storage right here as well. Over here beside your cooking area is your pantry, so you have a very large pantry up here, and then your pull-out pantry here with adjustable shelves to fit your needs. Here on the other side, across from your sink, is this lounge area. So this can also be turned into a bed. These back cushions pulls out a drawer here, and these back cushions become a bed area, so you can sleep 2 adults here quite comfortably. You have your nice TV here. The TVs for the 2023 model are all 12-volt TVs, so you do not have to turn on your inverter to work the TVs. They are powered straight from the battery. Then you have this very large, almost residential size, 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer combo here. Very nice space, and it's all electric, so it cools down very quickly, and it's very well insulated. Works like a champ. You can see your bank of windows here with these upper windows, and you have a skylight right here letting in plenty of light too. Here in our middle hallway is our shower, standard shower. So the 25 foot, 27 foot, 30 foot, 28 foot, all the showers are about the same. The seat may be slightly different in all of them, but the shower stall is about the same size. Across the hall is the bathroom. So I'm sitting here in the bathroom, and you can see I have a mirror up top that folds up for a medicine cabinet. I have plenty of storage down here beside the sink and underneath the sink, and I have quite a bit of counter space for such a small trailer. One item of note also in the 2023 model is an upgraded vent. So this vent here acts a little differently than the previous vents. I think it's a much better design. So the lid lifts up and comes down and the fan comes on. Same things in your shower. The design of this particular fan is much better than the previous year model. One other item in here in our hallway is this fantastic closet right here. You can use it as a regular clothes hanging space or partially a pantry or both. All right, welcome to the bedroom. I'm standing here. I have a nice storage part over here. I have a wonderful closet on this side. I have the bunk bed up top, and I have my two twin beds with storage underneath. There's a TV on this wall, and I have my wraparound windows with my nightstand table in the middle. Plenty of storage up here, plenty of space. I personally am a big fan of the twin models because I can close my curtain right here, and I can still be in the middle of my bedroom, and I can get dressed and fold clothes and do things in here that I wouldn't normally be able to do if it were a queen bed. That's it for this walkthrough Wednesday. We would love to show you this rig. We'd love to teach you all about it. We'd love for you to take it home on your next adventure. Call today, text today, send us an email, but we'd love to really meet you in person. Stop by and see us, and we'll show you our special pricing on this 2023 25-foot front bed, twin bed, Flying Cloud model with the available bunk and awning package on this model. It did not come with factory solar, but we can easily add that here depending on your needs. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me today. Have a great day and happy adventures.